morning children. This is our maths class and topic for today is 3-digit forward counting. 3-digit forward counting from 101 to 150. 101 to 150. So children, today I am going to teach you how to read 3-digit numbers. For that, I will explain you. I will help you out. How? See, I have made 3 fruits here. Grapes, apple and a mango. Grapes, apple and a mango. Though they are having their original names, grapes, apple and mango, I am giving them one more name, as your parents have given you a name. In the same way, I am also giving a new name to these fruits. Okay, we will call this grapes as 100. We will call this fruit grapes as 100, and short form for 100 is H. The next fruit is apple, and apple again makes the doctor away. Apple, we will give the name apple tens. Now we will call this apple as tens, and short form for tens is T. Here, the next fruit is mango. I know you all love eating mangoes, isn't it? Now, we will call this mango as ones. New name for mango is ones. And short form for ones is O. Short form for ones is O. Now, children, what I am going to teach you, it will make you learn this number, learn to read this number very easy. It will help you out. So all the numbers that comes under this H or grapes, this number will has the value of 100. All the numbers which come under this apple, that means tens, has the value of tens. And all the numbers that come under mango will have the value of 1. So, first we will go with mango. Here mango means O. Name is ones. O. You see, I have written here, this is O, this is T and this is H. Under O, under the letter O, I have written numbers from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all these 9 numbers have the value, how much it is written over here. 1 has the value of 1, 2 has the value of 2, 3 has the value of 3 and goes on. It goes on till 9. 9 has the value of 9. We will read this number as it is written over here. Now we will move on to T, means tens. And tens, all the numbers written over here under T has the value of 10. Have the value of tens. Now see, here number 1 is written. It has, we will not read it as 1. We will read this number as 10. It has a value, this number 1 has a value of tens when it is under this letter T. So, we will read this number as 10. When we write 2 under this T, we will read as 20. And the number 3 has the value of 30 because it is under letter T. Number 4 has the value of 40. 5 has the value of 50, 6, 67, 70, 8, 80, 9, 90. Okay. So children, I hope you have understood. When the number are under T, letter T, it has the value of tens. And the same number now we come to H. When the same number 1 comes under H, its value increases and it has the value of 100 now. This same number 1 has the value of 100. We will not take another number 2 or 3 because we are having counting till 150 only. In our syllabus, we are taking number till 150 only. So there is no need of taking 2. And if number 2 is written under H, we will read this number as 200. Okay. And 1 is read as 100. Clear? So, number 1 has the value of 100 when it is written under H. Now, how we will read this number together? When we read this number under 1 written under O, we will read as it is written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But when we read number coming under T, so we read these two numbers together. See, 1 and 2 we will read as 10 and 2 is 1 and 2, 12. 10 and 2 is 12. If 1 was written over here, 1 and 1 was 11. Okay. 2 and 3. Number 2 has the value of 20. So, 20 and 3. 23. We will read this number as 2 and 3. 23. We will read this number 23. We will read these two numbers together. Number under T and O, we will read these two numbers together. Okay. And 3 and 4, we will read number 3 and 4 as 34. Number 4 and 5 as 45. Number 5 and 6 as 56. Number 6 and 7 as 67. Understood? In this way we will go on. Now what we have to do is we have to read these three number coming under H, T and O. Till now we have read two numbers only, 2-digit numbers only. Number that was coming under T and under number that was coming under O. Now we are going to read the number that is all the three numbers that is coming under H, T and O. So how we will read this number? 101. Here under T number is, there is no number, it is 0 written over here. So we will read 1. It has the value of 100. 100. 100. We will not read this number 100. Directly we will jump here. 101. 101. And then we come down here. 1. Here also 1 is written, here is also 1 written. Now here under O it is written 2. How we will read this number? 112. 112. How we will read this number? 112. Now here we will come down 123. Before we read it as 23, now it will be 123. 100, here again 100, 134, 134, 1, 3 and 4. We will read these three numbers together. Now 1, we will read 1, 4 and 5, 145. Okay, so I hope you all understood. With the help of this sheet which I have already prepared for you children, forward counting from 101 to 150, I will help you out how to read this number. Okay. So you can see I have already prepared this sheet for you all. On the top I have written HTO. Okay. So you can see we will learn how to read this number. 101. Here it is written 101. 1 at hundreds place, O as tens place, and 0 at tens place, and 1 at ones place. So 101, because here in the middle there is no number, it is 0 written over here. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. See here the middle number has changed. Here number is 1. 100. We will read these two numbers together. Number at tens and ones, we will read it together. 110. 110. Now next line here. Now from here onwards, from the second line, we will read these two numbers together, and 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. Here again the middle number has changed and it is now 120. Then comes 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. See, again the number changed. Now the middle number is 3 and we will read it as 130. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. Now again number changed and it became 4. 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, and the last number 150. So children, I hope you all have learned how to count this 3-digit forward counting from 101 to 150. Practice every day, otherwise you will not able to count. Okay, it will help you in your further coming exercises. Okay, have a nice